if you're looking to simplify your cooking routine at home. By the end of this video, we're going to show you just how to do that with gadgets you didn't know you needed. The first gadget on our list is the Instant Pot. This multifunctional pressure cooker has taken the cooking world by storm. It can be used to cook everything from rice to stew, and it does it all in a fraction of the time it would take on a stovetop. The Instant Pot also has a sauté function, which allows you to brown meats and vegetables before pressure cooking. It has a delayed start timer, which lets you set it and forget it until it's time to eat. And the best part? The Instant Pot makes cleanup a breeze. Just pop the removable cooking pot in the dishwasher and you're done. Next up is the Sous Vide Immersion Circulator. This gadget is perfect for those who love to cook steak, fish, or other delicate proteins. The sous vide method involves placing food in a vacuum-sealed bag and cooking it in a water bath at a precisely controlled temperature. This ensures that the food is cooked evenly and retains all of its moisture and flavor. The immersion circulator heats the water to the exact temperature you need and circulates it to ensure that every part of the food is cooked to perfection. Now, you can't tell me that is not a game changer. The result is a juicy and tender piece of meat or fish that will make you feel like a professional chef. Third on our list is the air fryer. This gadget is perfect for those who love the taste and texture of fried food but want to cut down on the oil and calories. The air fryer uses hot air to cook food instead of oil, which results in crispy and delicious food without the added fat. It can be used to cook everything from French fries to chicken wings. You can have your own Wingstop in the comfort of your own home, and it does it all in a fraction of the time it would take in a traditional oven. It's easy to clean with a removable basket that can be washed in the dishwasher. If you're looking for a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods, the air fryer is a great choice. Fourth on our list is the spiralizer. This gadget is perfect for those who love to cook with vegetables but want to try something new. The spiralizer turns vegetables like zucchini, carrots, and sweet potatoes into long, thin noodles that can be used in place of pasta. This is a great way to add more vegetables to your diet while still enjoying your favorite pasta dishes. The spiralizer is easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. If you're looking to get more creative in the kitchen and try new recipes, the spiralizer is a great gadget to have on hand. Last but not least is the handheld milk frother. This gadget is perfect for those who love to make coffee or tea at home, but want to add a special touch. The handheld milk frother whips zucchini up milk into a frothy consistency, which can be used to make lattes, cappuccinos, and other coffee drinks. It can also be used to froth milk for hot chocolate or matcha tea. The handheld milk frother is compact and easy to use, and it's also easy to clean. If you're looking to elevate your at-home coffee game, the handheld milk frother is a great gadget to have on hand. Well, that's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible kitchen gadgets. Remember, cooking should be fun and enjoyable, and these gadgets are sure to make your time in the kitchen more efficient and enjoyable. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.